Hi everyone. This is an in-memory Python CLI Todo application, a project from Hackathon-2 Phase 1 at GIAIC. It's built with typer-enrich and features 3 progressive complexity levels. Let's explore what it can do. Level 1 gives us the essential operations. Let's add a task. Say gym workout. We can view, update, delete, and toggle task status. Simple but powerful for daily task management. Level 2 adds organization and usability. Tasks now have priorities, high, medium, or low, each with its own color. Plus, you can add tags for better categorization, filter by status and priority, search for keywords, and sort using multiple criteria. Level 3 brings intelligence to this CLI Todo app. You can create recurring tasks that automatically reschedule themselves daily, weekly, or monthly. When you complete a recurring task, a new instance is automatically created for the next occurrence. Date-time precision lets you set exact due times, and smart reminders notify you about overdue tasks in red and upcoming tasks in yellow. Using human-friendly language like do in 1 hour, all features work through an interactive menu. The project was built with SpecKit Plus and Cloud CLI using spec-driven development and test-driven development approach. Has 54 passing unit tests and is fully documented. Check out the code on GitHub, link is in form. Thanks for watching.